Hi, welcome to the video training of Python, and in this video training we will be learning about how to extract text from PDF file using Python. All of you must be familiar with what PDFs are. In fact, they are one of the most important and widely used digital media. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. It uses .pdf extension. It is used to present and exchange documents reliably, independent of software, hardware, or operating system. Extracting text from PDF file, Python package PyPDF can be used to achieve what we want, text extraction, although it can do more than what we need. This package can also be used to generate, decrypting and merging PDF files. The installation is very simple. To install this package, type the below command in the terminal. So we can do that: pip install pypdf2. Okay, as you can see, we have a message: successfully installed PyPDF 21.260. So we have installed that. Now let's get to the coding, and I'm going to create a project file called python pdf extract.py. Okay, first of all, import the required module. In our case is import pypdf2, creating a PDF file object, and this is PDF file obj. Open and give the name of the PDF file in the current folder. For read, creating PDF reader object. Okay, and we can say PDF reader equals pypdf2.pdf file reader, and pass the PDF file object to this function, printing number of pages in PDF file. This is a simple function, PDF reader dot num pages. Okay, creating a page object, page obj equals PDF reader dot get page 0, extracting text from page, print page object dot extract text. Okay, closing the PDF file object, PDF file obj dot close. So this is the whole program that is going to read number of pages and text and extract text from the PDF file. Save the file, go to the console, and let's run this file, python pdf extract.py. So we have the page number, that is 1, and we have extracted the text from the PDF file, which is Xcode and other things. Some of the important functions that we missed out is get document info function. It tells you about the author and some other important information like creator, creation date, the producer of the PDF document, and I want to change to 1, save, okay, 0, okay, we have this here. So we have the producer, LibreOffice, creator, writer, and creation date. Okay, let's try to understand the code. PDF file object is created by opening the example.pdf. We opened the example.pdf in binary mode and saved the file object as PDF file object. Here we create an object of PDF file reader class of PyPDF2 module and pass the PDF file object and get a PDF reader object. Then we printed out the number of pages. The numPages property gives the number of pages in the PDF file. For example, in our case it is 20. Then we have the PDF reader.get page, and 0 is the page 1 of the PDF file. Then we ran the extract text. The page of text has function extract text to extract text from the PDF page. At last we close the PDF file object by using the PDF file obj.close. There is some important note that I want to share with you is that while PyPDF has .extract text which can be used on its page objects shown in this example, it does not work very well. Some PDFs will return text and some will return an empty string. When you want to extract text from a PDF, you should check out the PDF Miner project instead. PDF Miner is much more robust and was specifically designed for extracting text from PDF. We will look at PDF Miner in the next video training of Python. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Python.